Okay, Team Sissel, I am going to review with you how we use the number line for subtraction. So we got our basic subtraction problem here. We got 2,468 minus 1,979. So when we're setting up our number line, we're just going to draw a line, and this is something called a blank number line. Okay, or a free-flowing number line. Sometimes when you see number lines, they will already be marked for you. So like this one, this would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, kind of like a ruler, okay? But the beauty of having an unmarked number line is that you can use the number line to help you solve problems. And right now we're solving subtraction problems, and a little bit later we'll be using it to solve problems with fractions and decimals. So what you're going to do is you're going to, just like you would a normal number line, the smaller number, let me change the color. The smaller number should be on the left side, so 1,979. Let me fix that 7. And then the larger number should be on the right-hand side, so that would be 2,468. And basically what you're trying to do, and this is why it works really well with subtraction, is you're trying to find out the difference between these two numbers. Well, that's subtraction. It's finding the difference between these two numbers. And you're actually going to be using addition to help you solve a subtraction problem. Okay, so what I have taught you is that what we want to happen is for the ones place, we want the ones place to kind of disappear, because we want to be making tens and then making hundreds and then making thousands, because we want to find easy to add, easy to subtract numbers. Okay, and that's going to make more sense when I do it. So 1,979, if we add 1 to that, that's going to get us to 1,980. And that is an easy, happy number, all right? And we know that 9 plus 1 gives us 10. And so that's how we knew to add 1 to get us to 180. Now I know that 8 plus 2 is going to give me 10. So I know that 80 plus 20 is going to give me 10. So I'm going to add 20. And that's going to give me that's going to give me 1,000. Okay, because I know that when I do 1,980 plus 20, that's going to give me 2,000. All right, so now I'm at a very easy, happy number. 2,000 is a really easy number, because I know that to get between 2,000 and 2,468, all I have to do is add 468. So now, if I'm trying to find the difference between these two numbers, all I have to do is add these numbers up, because I know that this is how many is in between this number, and that's what subtraction is. So I'm going to go ahead and add 468 plus 20 plus 1. So I'm going to get a 9 in the ones place, 6, 7, 8 in the tens place, and a 4 in the hundreds place. Now if you want to check your work, which it always is a good idea to check your work, okay, you're going to do 1,979 plus 489, and you're going to see if you get 2,468. So 9 and 9 is 18. We've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9, 10, 14. And then 2. And we get back our original answer of 2,468. And so that is your review on how to use subtraction on a number line. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much and have a good night.